Namaste, this is Banu Suresh, your online yoga teacher. We are in segment 3 of yoga props. Today we're going to learn how to use another simple prop called the chair. It's just a folding chair and that's how it looks. So you see it in profile. And I'm going to place this right here in front of me. Garudasana or eagle. It's a balanced position normally, but today you'll learn how to compartmentalize your stretching. So we'll do the lower half first, just so you don't lose your balance. Touch the edges of your chair. Transfer your weight to the left leg. Inhale. Cross your right knee over the left. Exhale. Bend your left knee. Notice because of the chair, I'm not going to fall off and I'm fine. I can hold this for some time. Inhale, let's come up. Switch legs. Take a deep inhale and exhale and bend. Now we're going to do the top half, and for that I'm going to actually show it to you as we sit on the chair. So I move my chair back. I'm going to sit down. Now let's say the left knee is over the right already. Left knee is up. Inhale the right arm up. Exhale, dip your right elbow over the left. So just slice your left hand from under, twine your palms together, and you're in Garudasana. Now notice how you're getting that delicious stretch on the outside of your triceps, the upper right arm, and when you cross over the other side, you're going to get a stretch on the triceps of the left arm as well. Plus, you get a beautiful stretch in your abductors of the upper left thigh. Inhale and release. And let's switch. Inhale, cross over, exhale, and relax. Right knee is up. Inhale the left arm up. Exhale, dip your left elbow over the right. So slice your right palm from under, twine your palms together. You're in Garudasana. If you want to take it a little further, you can go a little deeper. But now I'm getting a tricep stretch on the outside of my upper left arm and a beautiful stretch for my adductors on the outside of my right thigh. And I'm combining the upper and lower bodies. Exhale, Garuda or eagle. Another simple posture, which is normally simple as it is, you can make it a lot more effective by being able to rest the top of your head. Uttana, standing forward fold. Let's take a deep inhale, and I'm going to move this, give myself a little more room. Cross over, hold on to the opposite elbows, and actually you probably would get a better view if I just place the back of the chair facing you. Exhale, fold. I'm going to begin by resting my elbows on the back of the chair. And then dip your torso so the upper part of the body comes down. Inhale. When you feel nice and supple in the back of your thighs, you could go a little deeper. Rest the top of your head. I'm going to move my arms apart so you can see the top of my head from the space here. It's resting on the chair seat. Inhale. Let's come up. And let's get into matsyendra, ardha matsyendra, half spinal twist. It's a lot of turning and twisting, turning the chair, twisting the body. It's all good. It's all good. I'm going to sit down. Ardha matsyendra, half spinal twist. So I'm going to sit on this chair at an angle. Take a deep inhale. Place your left hand in the back of the chair. Right hand on the outside of your left thigh. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Pull or push on the back of the chair with your left hand and twist all the way back. Now if you want to go really deep into these postures, you can place your elbow over the back of the chair and pull with your left hand. So notice the push and pull action. I'm pulling my left thigh in. I'm pushing the left hand out. Inhale. And release. Turn the other side. Place your left hand over your right thigh. Right hand on the back of the chair. My elbow over the back. To go just a little deeper. Inhale, back to the center. One last one, viparita karani. That's for the chair, for using the chair as a prop. Viparita karani literally is unique inversion. It's also translated as legs up the wall. So for that, the wall is a great prop, but today I'm going to help you use the chair as a prop. Let's say you're in a TV studio, you don't have any walls, or whatever. You're in an office room, you don't have walls, just your desk near you. You could use your desk or a chair. So lie on your back, bend your knees, heels are close to the buttocks. Inhale, lift one leg up, place it on the seat of the chair, lift the other leg, place it on the seat of the chair. Now I might try and wiggle forward just a little bit. Inhale, raise the right leg. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, the left leg up. Now we're going to move both legs up, but one at a time. Keep your right leg where it is. Inhale, bring the other leg up. So notice how you don't have to come all the way down. But right now I'm just going to come up to the seat of the chair. You don't have to come all the way down each time. You could just come up to the height of the seat of the chair. Another prop that I find, I just recently started to enjoy using it. I don't generally use props. I don't want to get too reliant on them. The yoga wheel. Now the yoga wheel is especially useful when you want to open up your chest. So there's a posture called supta, vajra. So for that, let me place it behind me. Now this may be a little tough on your knees. Now hang in there, you're just going to experiment. We're just experimenting with this. You're sitting on your knees. I'm going to hold on to the wheel. Now make sure it doesn't roll away. Right there. Supta vajra. If you want, you can move your arms all the way up. Get a deeper stretch. Inhale, press with your palms, and let's come up. Another position that can feel really delicious with using this yoga wheel is matsyasana. Matsya is fish. But before we do matsya, let's go progressively into a posture called dandasana. Danda is plank. And for plank, I notice my pelvis dips a lot. So I'm going to let this guy roll all the way, right where my abdominals are, my 12th back. I'm on my knees. Take a deep inhale and lift the knees off. So notice my pelvic region is not going to dip as much. Now if I were to move the wheel, I'd probably plunk down all the way. Now women typically don't have much arm strength, so this is a great way to get started. And posture number 3 with the wheel is matsya or fish. Very similar to supta vajra, except, lucky us, you don't have to bend your knees. You can just have your knees extended. So this should be a lot easier. Inhale, exhale, lean back. Now you just want to open up your chest. Matsya is fish. So this is a great stretch for the upper back. I'm going to lean back a little more so I can bring my head down to rest. Inhale. It's almost like I'm leaning back. I'm not even going all the way back. So if you want to feel the deeper stretch, place it right there and you're back. One last posture. Bridge position, sethu bandha. You'll see how we can use this under the buttocks. Sethu bandha, bring your heels close to your buttocks. Palms near your heels. Inhale, lift the buttocks up. Wiggle your elbows, your shoulders under your upper back. So wiggle your upper arms and then slowly glide the wheel under your buttocks. Let it rest there. So you should feel a beautiful stretch in your quads in front of the legs. When you want to come off, raise your heels. Let's come off. Now that takes care of 6 props. There's one prop which I didn't cover. I just love it, but I don't use it in the yoga postures, but my little stool that I use when I want to get my knees down to the floor. And mostly I use that for meditation, chakra dhyana, and when I simply want to breathe, just sit down and relax. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed the 3 prop segments. We'll meet again in the next class.